In recent decades, management scholars have taken a growing interest in organizational aesthetics, a way of understanding organizational life based on sensory reactions to its material components. This has resulted in a significant yet highly fragmented body of research. Bringing this research together is the focus of our paper, The Aesthetic Dimension of Organizing, written by myself, Giada Baldessarelli, a research fellow at Imperial College Business School, and my co-authors.
Ileana Stigliani, Associate Professor of Design and Innovation at Imperial College Business School.
And Kim Elsbach, Professor Emeritus at the University of California, Davis.
We analyzed 177 empirical studies published between the late 1980s and 2021 and found that the role of aesthetics in organizational life has been treated in three distinct ways.
Some studies view aesthetics as a directed stimulus, driving the evaluation of objects and spaces or triggering individual and collective behaviors. Other studies treat aesthetics as a form of knowledge, developed and used to tackle creative tasks or organize daily work. The third perspective sees aesthetics as an open-ended outcome of personal encounters with objects and spaces.
We also found that sensory reactions trigger both emotional mechanisms, such as likes, dislikes, love and anger, and cognitive mechanisms, affected by memories and societal norms.
Building on these insights, we constructed an integrative framework that illustrates how organizations carry out work through sensory engagement with their material surroundings, triggering responses and subsequently impacting behaviors. Our review in the Academy of Management Annals provides a comprehensive overview of organizational aesthetics, illuminating existing findings and providing avenues for future study.